Oil-rubbed bronze, Waterfall brass commercial, Touchless automatic motion sensor faucet. Product code, BS-WBT7876. An eye-catching design, which is both functional and nice to look at. The sensor faucet has been developed with ease in mind. The electronic sensors are sensitive and intuitive to operate, and the touch-free system means that you don't need to worry about cross-contamination from germs. The intelligent microchip allows for a preset 30-second auto-shutoff, and this, along with the drip-free design, helps prevent water wastage. The faucet is simple to install and can be powered by 4AA alkaline batteries, sold separately, or by AC power depending on facilities and preference. The design is extremely energy efficient and is suitable for both commercial and residential use. Oil-rubbed bronze, commercial motion sensor faucet, sensor faucet mount, single-hole type, ceramic plate spool. Valve core material, ceramic style, contemporary. Feature, sensor faucets hot and cold water, no. Installation type, deck mount surface treatment, polished. Style, contemporary model number, WBT7876. Number of handle, none type, single cold waterfall sensor faucet. See options. Material, brass. Finish, oil-rubbed bronze. Water pressure, 0.05 megapascal 0.8 megapascal power, DC or AC/DC. DIA.OF inlet pipe, G12 DIA.OF outlet pipe, G12 function, single cold or cold and hot water for your choosing. Flow rate, 1.75 GPM.